You search for how to buy shares of ACEA S.p.A, so in this clip I will show the basic steps. ACEA is an Italian utility group listed on CBOE EU with the ticker ACE.MI, and this explanation is educational, not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the flow. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before making a purchase. Use the platform search box and type the ticker ACE.MI to find the listing. Confirm you have selected ACE.MI and that the name and exchange match the CBOE EU listing. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart showing recent performance. Check the company details and exchange to make sure this is the correct ACEA S.p.A listing. To place an order, choose Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled for the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will ask you to add funds before it completes the purchase. Once executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio view, where you can track it. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.